going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. Doing this video, going to show you how you can get paid to leave video responses. This is a very easy app. You see here I have 2 questions, each worth $1, and I have one that's also worth 25 cents. You'll basically just answer yourself. You'll basically record yourself answering the question in video form. If I scroll down and leave more, I have another one worth 25 cents. So this is basically $2.50 that I'll make just for doing this. So I'll start with the first 2 questions. You just click on it. You'll see what the question is, and you'll just answer it in video form. So from there, I'll click Start Task. You have to record yourself for at least 15 seconds answering the question, making sure you can be clearly seen and clearly heard. Once that's done, you can play it back if you want to, or you can just upload it. So I'll just upload it. And then once it's done uploading, it'll take you right into the second question. So I'll just begin question 2 of 2. Again, just look at what it's asking me to answer. Then I click on Start Task. At least 15 seconds recording myself. All right, that's all you got to do right there. When that's done, upload it again, and then you just wait for them to credit you, which it doesn't take long. It takes maybe at the most an hour for them to actually send you the money and put the money into your account. So basically, once you've answered all the questions available for you, you'll go back to the home page and it'll look like this. So I did answer all questions. I just did 2 just to show you how it works. But when you want more questions, you'll click on Unlock More Questions and just answer these kind of questions like this, so it knows, more videos to send you. And then when you've answered all of those, you'll see here the homepage look like this, where it doesn't say anything about unlock more video questions. So basically, you just wait for them to send you more questions. It could be the same day, it could be next day, whatever. You need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out. They cash out to PayPal. The cash outs take like a few minutes to come to your account. It does not take long at all. So if you would like to sign up with this app, I'll leave the link in the description. It is a very easy app. It's completely free. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.